Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can create a HubSpot account even if you don't have a work email. So you need to start by going on their website and pressing on get started free. From there you'll be redirected in order to fill out a few steps. You've logged in with your email, now you'll add your first and last name. Now from here you'll follow a few steps, you'll answer its questions. Now here you'll add your company name. So let's just write my company. You'll give your company details. Now here, let's say you don't have a company website. Now what you can do is you can insert a placeholder URL. You can add any regular URL that you can make, basically a placeholder URL. If you don't have a proper website, you can add that in its place as well, and that would work completely fine. Now from there you can add your placeholder URL right here and you'll be able to continue normally and create an HubSpot account without a company website. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.